Hello everyone, welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video, we're going to learn how to start a recycling business. My name is Shaun Randall and I'll be your business advisor in this video. Before we start your recycling business, we must first determine what items and valuable goods we will recycle and how we will profit from them. So let's take a look at some recycling opportunities that we can take advantage of. Buy and resell used items. Buying and reselling items is an excellent way to make money. Yard sales, flea markets, and local auctions are good places to look for bargains. The goal here is to buy low-cost items and resell them at a higher price to make a profit. A variety of valuable items such as collectibles, arts, antiques, retro fashion and furniture, and old audio equipment may be underpriced by their owners. The best approach is to become a master on the value of a few categories of goods. If you're looking for something specific, check with the sale organizer ahead of time to see if they're selling the item you're looking for. It will help you narrow down your options. Collect scrap metals. Scrap metal collection and sales provide numerous opportunities. The cost of starting a business can be as low as $1,000 and you can grow it over time. A pickup truck or utility trailer, a net and tie downs, as well as some basic tools and personal protective equipment such as gloves and safety shoes are needed. Scrap metals can be collected from homeowners, construction sites, and other locations and resold to larger recyclers. The manual labor required to collect scrap metals is greater than that required by most recycling business. Resell computers and computer parts. Another business opportunity to consider is computer recycling. You can sell reusable computer parts such as disk drives, hard disks, and processors in addition to fixing them. Some companies will even buy the motherboards in order to extract and process the valuable metals contained within them. You can also sell used computer equipment like monitors, keyboards, mice, and computer cases. When considering starting a recycling business, you should first research the industry to see if it is viable and profitable. Depending on the nature of your business, you may want to develop a business plan, conduct competitor research, and review your location's business recycling policy. This information can assist you in determining whether your business idea has the potential to become a profitable recycling business. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button to show your appreciation. Also, leave a comment below if you'd like us to make a long, detailed follow-up video to learn more about how to start a recycling business. And don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.